Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic principles of management. What is management? Management is the coordination of people and resources to achieve a specific goal. There are four functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Effective management requires strong communications and interpersonal skills. Importance of management. Effective management requires teamwork, planning, communication, and problem solving. A strong team with diverse skills is key to success. Types of managers. Top level managers are responsible for the overall directions of the organization. Middle managers are responsible for implementing the policies and plans developed by top level managers. First line manager are responsible for the day to day management of employees. Planning and decision making. Effective planning and decision making start with setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound SMART goals. Use this framework and watch your productivity. Sure. Organizing and staffing. Effective organizing and staffing involve creating a collaborative work culture where team members feel valued, motivated, and engaged. Encourage open communication and feedback. Leading and controlling. Leadership styles affect the motivation and productivity of employees. Autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire styles are the most common. Here are some fundamental principles of management. Number one, division of work. Specialization. Divide the work into smaller tasks to increase efficiency and expertise. Number two, authority and responsibility. Authority. Managers must have the authority to give orders. Responsibility. With authority comes responsibility for outcome. Number three, discipline. Imply discipline. Employees must obey and respect the rules that govern the organization. Management discipline. Managers must apply consistent discipline when dealing with employees who violate organizational rules. Unity of command implies each employee should receive orders and be accountable to only one superior. Avoid confusion. These principles avoid confusion and ensures clarity in reporting relationship. Number 5, unity of direction. Common goals. All activities within an organization should be directed towards common objectives. Coordination. Teams and departments should work in harmony to achieve organizational goals. Number 6, subordinations of individuals' interest to the general interest. Organization first. The interest of the organization take precedence over individual interest. Teamwork. Encourage teamwork and collaboration. Number 7, remuneration. Fair compensation. Employees should be paid a fair wage for their services. Motivation. Fair compensation motivates employees to perform better. Number 8, centralization. Decision making. Centralization refers to the degree to which decision making is concentrated at a single point in the organization. Decentralization. Decision making authority is spread to lower level in the organization. Number 9, scholar chain hierarchy. Do you know about this? There should be a clear line of authority from the top management to the lowest ranks. Effective communication ensures smooth flow of communications up and down the chain of command. Number 10, order. Order lines. There should be a place for everything and everything should be in its place. Efficiency promotes efficiency by minimizing wasted time and efforts. Number 11, equity. Fairness. Managers should be fair and just to employees to gain their loyalty and devotion. Equal treatments. Employees should be treated with kindness and equity. Number 12, stability of tenure of personnel. Employees retention. Long term employment for personnel is important for the development of skills and loyalty. Reduce turnover. Reduces turnover and provides job security. Number 13, initiative. Encouraging innovation. Employees should be given the freedom to conceive and carry out their plans. Creativity. Encourage creativity and innovation within the organization. Number 14, inspires the crops. Team spirit promotes a sense of unity and harmony among the employees. Team building fosters team building and mutual understanding among team members. Thank you for listening to my presentations about principles of management. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.